This milestone contains 5 modules. Work through each in sequence to learn about the fundamental principles and approach to creating a successful EA program. Each module is divided into sections and topics. Learn about the experience of other campuses and follow guidance for developing your own program with a mix of videos, learning modules, activities, and tools to use as you progress. Some of the activities will need to be done as a group. Instructions and materials are provided to run these activities. The 5 modules in this milestone are as follows. Developing a shared understanding of emergency aid. It's important to have a shared understanding of the nature of emergencies and why emergency aid is needed. This module clearly defines both topics. Don't be fooled. There are numerous myths and misconceptions that could hinder your progress. This module is a handy reference tool that addresses a number of myths that our test campuses uncovered while developing their own EA programs. Applying an equity and inclusion lens is the next area. As you develop your emergency aid program, this is a key foundation for a successful program. The activities in this section will help you explore these concepts with your team and build greater understanding and humility. You can also create an equity scorecard to better understand your campus composition and to support conversations around equity and inclusion on your campus. Taking a student-centric approach is the next module. Understanding the needs and perceptions of students will help identify barriers and opportunities for developing your emergency aid program. An effective EA program design considers the student experience across multiple touch points and departments. Assess your current level of student engagement through this module. Find out how to bring student voices to the table and use the checklist to review your progress. Crafting principles for your emergency aid program is the 5th milestone. Defining a set of principles will provide direction for your EA program. Discover what makes an effective set of principles, then craft your own in the activity with your EA team members. People are often confused about the difference between goals, values, and principles. Find the answers to this and more FAQs in the final section. Are you ready to move on? When you've completed all the modules within this milestone, review the milestone checkpoint to consider if you are really ready to move on.